Hello everyone, thank you for being here at Data In. In this channel, you will have tutorials and walkthroughs to learn statistical computing and graphics, starting from very basic to advanced level topics. So today's video is about learning the basics of RStudio and how to set your working directory in a very simple and easy way. RStudio is available in open source and also in commercial editions, and it runs on the desktop, Windows, Mac, or Linux, or in a browser that is connected to RStudio server. So after installing R and RStudio, you can simply launch RStudio from your computer applications folders. You can launch it by double-clicking on the icon. RStudio is an integrated development environment, and you have complete control of your code. It has 4-pan workspace. The top left panel is the code editor, which creates the files that contain your R script. You can create your new R script by clicking on File, New, and then R script. The bottom left panel is R console for typing R commands. The top right panel is Workspace and History tab. Workspace tab shows the list of R objects you have created during the R session, and History tab shows the history of all previous commands. The bottom right panel is the Files, Plots, and Packages tab. Files tab show the files in your working directory, and Plots tab show the history of the plots you have created. From this tab, you can also export your plots to PDF or any other image file. In Packages tab, you can see the external R packages that are available on your system. You can also check that if any package is loaded in R or not. So the first step is to set up your own working directory. The working directory is a folder in which R reads and saves your file. You can change your working directory by going to the session, then set working directory and choose directory. This will be your directory for this current session. You can change it in the next session as well by simply repeating the process. There is another type of working directory, that is default working directory. You can also set it up by going to Tools, then Global Options, and click on Browse to select the default working directory, whichever folder you want to select. And default working directory will be the folder where RStudio goes every time you open it. The first point is to close your R session. Each time you close your R session, you will be asked whether you want to save your data from your R session. If you decide to save, the data will be available in future R sessions. Thank you for watching this video. You will find many more videos about R programming and graphics. I have created a playlist of creating various graphics in ggplot2. If you are interested, please click on the link above. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Till next time, take care of yourself. Bye.